Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add bots to the Discord server. So if you want to add any bot with your Discord server, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser or any web browser. So you have to search for the Discord bots. Once you will do it, here you will see top.gg website. So you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, here you will see different top bots are appear here. Also you can search any bot for your server from here. So once you will do it, let's suppose I want to add this mushroom bot to my Discord server. So I simply click on it. Okay, once you will do it, now you have to click on add our Discord bot. Now it's asking for authorization, so you have to click on it. So once you will do it, here you have to select a server with whom you want to connect this bot. So click on the continue. After selecting it, then click on the authorize. So now you have to click on the I am human. Once you will do it, your bot is connected with your server. So this is the procedure to add any bot with your server. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.